Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gaganayan from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of CSE Data Science. In this video, I will be discussing about the understanding the requirements model. First, we will see the building the requirements model. In the in this software development, building a solid foundation for a successful project begins with the meticulous process of defining and documenting its requirements. The requirement model serves as the blueprint, a comprehensive guide outlining the inherent functionality, features, and constraints of the software system. These foundational documents act as a curricular communications bridge between the stakeholders, developers, testers, ensuring everyone involved is on the project's objective. Further, we'll see about the what is a requirement model. The requirements model often refers to as the requirement specification is a comprehensive document that meticulously details the functionalities, features, and constraints of the software systems. It serves as a critical blueprint outlining what of the project rather than the how. Think of it as a construct, a shared understanding between the stakeholders, developers, and tester, ensuring everyone is on the same page about the project objectives. Further, we'll see about the importance of requirements model. The requirement model is not just a document, it's a virtual of the software development success. It acts as a compass guiding the project through every phase. A well defined requirement model provides a shared understanding of the project's goals, fosters effective communications among the stakeholders, and the way for effective development and testing. First, we'll see the clear communication, ensuring all involved participants from the developers and designers to stakeholders and testers are on the same page, minimizing the confusions and misunderstandings. Further, we see the reduced errors. Preciously defining requirements upfront helps minimize the costly rework and errors during the development, ensuring the final product meets the functionalities. Further, we'll see the improved quality. A well crafted requirements model lays the foundation for a high quality software product, ensuring it aligns with user need and perform as a intended. Foster development. A clear and conscious requirement model provide a random map roadmap for developers uh, and the development process and ultimately a time to market. Further, we'll see the types of requirements model. There are three types of requirement model. The requirement model can take on a various forms, each to the specific needs and complexity of the projects. The choice of a model depends on the factors such as a project size, domains, complexity, and the desired level of the details. First, we'll see the functionality requirements. In this functionality requirements, we can describe the specific actions, tasks, and capabilities that the software system is expected to perform. They outline what the system should do, focusing on user interactions and the system responses. Non-functional requirement. In this non-functional requirement, we can see the addresses qualities and characteristics that influence the system's overall performance, sustainability, and the maintainability. They often involved aspects like security, performance, and reliability. The user requirements, we can see the capturing the need and expectations of the end users. These requirements should be written in a clear consciousness language that is easily understood by the users. Next, we'll see the gathering requirements. In this gathering requirements involves the activity collection information, evaluate stakeholders including the users, business, analysts, subjects, and the project spawns. The goal is to understanding the needs, expectation, and the constraints of the software system. First gathering requirement is interview. Next, conducting one-on-one interviews with the stakeholders to gathering in-depth information about their needs and expectation. Distributing the survey to gather the feedback from a large group of users, gathering a quantity data on the performance, prioritize. Workshops. Facility collaborative workshops involving all the stakeholders fosters brainstorming and shared understanding of the requirements. Reviewing the existing documents such as a user's manual, business process, or existing software specification to extract a relevant information. Observation. Observing the users interacting with the existing system or a prototype so to gain the insight into their behavior and pain points. Further, we'll see the documenting requirements. Once a requirement are gathered, they need to be documented systematically in a clear consciousness and unambiguous manner. The requirements document serves as a central repository of information, ensuring everyone involved has access to the same set of specification. Requirement types: functionality requirement, non-functionality requirement. We see the user requirement also. Description and examples. In this functionality requirement, for example, the system must allow the users to create and edit the profiles. And non-functional requirement example is the system must be available 24 by 7 with a response time of under 2 seconds. And user requirement, the for example, users need to be able to easily search for and find the information. Next, we'll see the validating requirements. Validating requirements involve in the ensuring that they are complete, consistency, and unambiguous. This process involving a review the requirements document, conducting walkthrough with stakeholders, and testing prototypes to ensure they align with the defined requirements. Review by the stakeholders including a users, business analysts, and project sponsor reviews the requirements document to ensure it's correctly accurately reflect their needs and expectations. Technical feasibilities checker. Developers assess the technical feasibilities of the implementing the requirements considering the available technologies and the resources. Prototyping and testing. Prototyping are a mock-ups are created to visualize the systems and test the functionalities against the defined requirements. Further, we'll see the maintaining the requirements model. The requirements model is an living documents that must adapt to change needs and project scope. It's essential to maintaining the requirements model through the development life cycle, ensuring it remains up to date and relevant. Version control, regular communication, periodic reviews, feedback collections, these are maintaining in the requirement model. First, we see the vision controls. Use a version control system to track a change made to the requirements document, ensuring the transparency and accountability. Regular communication to maintain the open communication with the stakeholders to addresses may changes or a clear clarification to the requirements. This is about the regular. Thank you.